So today is New Year's Eve. We've just had a band play, we've had champagne drinks for all the guests, and the bar was just a complete hectic, crazy flurry of people drinking and having fun. Now they're all having dinner in the restaurants. The restaurants are really busy, but the live music is going to kick off again soon. We're just cleaning, replenishing our stocks, and taking room orders and helping the kitchen. So hopefully if I have enough time, I'm going to show you guys what the bar looks like during New Year's Eve here in St. Anton. New Year's firework time! Woo! G'day, g'day boys, Happy New Year's! Woo! Happy New Year's! Cheers! Marian, get yourself a champagne! Want a beer? Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Brother, pleasure to meet you.
Teško jedna bosanska. Srećan.
Yeah, GoPro! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Romania, Italiani! Happy New Year! All the best! What a year! I quit my job in April, went to India with the one-way ticket, started in Mumbai for an Indian wedding and then headed north. And then from there I went back to Europe. And here we are working in Austria with this crazy guy. What a year! What a year! Learned a lot of ups and downs. Started vlogging, and here we are. And exploding. And then we got the band playing. Let's clean this a little bit. Pauli! Happy New Year, brother.
Why they come in?
Happy New Year, brother. You're like 20, 25 people left. It's around 2 a.m.